coefficient of variation. Correct, right? To calculate that formula we have standard deviation, right? Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Is it right? This was to find out CV. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we don't have standard deviation. Check once. That's not there, right? First we need, don't write now. So we need standard deviation. To calculate standard deviation, we have one more formula, square root of variance. Square root of variance. If variance given, you take out root. 36 root how much of? 6. Again, one more we need. What? Mean we need. So to calculate mean, we have formula summation of x divided by summation of x divided by don't write Priyanka. 150 divided by 10 will get how much now? 50. Now I'll substitute everything. So SD 6 divided by mean 50 into 100. Correct, right? What is it? 40. Don't write 40 simply. 40 percentage. Whatever you are multiplying with 100, always you write percentage. CV is what? 40%. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Next one.
Compute mean deviation. Compute mean deviation. Coefficient. Mean deviation coefficient. About mean from the following data. X marks, right?
X is marks, right? That is data.
45, 110, 78, 70, 52, 75, 83, 64, 98.
See, you're asking what? Mean deviation from what? First we have to calculate mean deviation, then only that is possible to calculate coefficient. First we need what? Mean deviation. First we need mean deviation. So there are three cases: mean deviation from mean deviation from median, mean deviation from mode. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So mean deviation from mean deviation from median, mean deviation from mode. This is about mean deviation from mean. They are asking. They are telling that only. Correct, right? From mean, they are telling. Correct, right? First we need mean. So to calculate mean what? Sum of x divided by n, right? Summation of data divided by number of data. Always. That meaning itself will tell what? Sum of data divided by number of data. Sum of information divided by number of information. Total. How much total now?
675.
Check once.
675.
Is it correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Total I am telling.
Yes, sir.
So summation of x divided by n, right?
Yes, sir.
Summation of x divided by n. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Huh? 675 divided by 9.
975.
75. Ah.
Yes, sir.
So now we calculate what? Mean. So we need differences. Deviation. Deviation means what? Differences. So there is a formula I am writing. X minus mean, right? We'll get modulus of D. Modulus of. Why I am writing this sign? To avoid negative signs. This symbol shows it will avoid negative. So already calculated this one now.
Yes, sir.
This symbol you are using, right?
Yes, sir.
So this indicates positive only. Wherever you are getting negative, it will show what? Positive only. So that's why I am writing. So we have 45, right? 45 mean how much? 75. Difference amount 30. Yeah? So minus 75. See, it indicates minus 30. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
But I am writing what? 30 plus I am writing. Wherever you are getting negative signs, just to make it as positive. Don't worry about minus sign. It will avoid. Which one now? That symbol. Next to 110 minus 75. 35. Huh?
Yes, sir.
78 minus 75. 3. 70 minus 75. 5. 52 minus 75. 23. Huh? 75 minus 75, 0. 83 minus 75, 8. 64 minus 75, 11. 98 minus 75, 23. So we need this total. Summation of modulus of D is total we need. 130. Is it correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Cross check anyone fast. This total. Correct, right? So mean deviation formula, summation of modulus of D divided by n, correct? Huh? To calculate mean deviation, this only we are using, right? Mean deviation equals summation of modulus of D divided by n. So 138.9, how much? 15.33. So now we are calculating what? Coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation. Formula, mean deviation divided by mean. Mean division divided by mean. This is about mean. If you want median, median. Mode. This is about mean. So mean division how much? 15.33 divided by mean. 75. 0.20. 14. See, always you are getting 0 point. In all questions. Whatever coefficient you are getting now, that indicates either plus 1 or minus 1. So 0 point, always. Plus 0 point or minus 0 point. Then only it is correct. You will get always 0 point. You copy this first.
Find x bar. Find x bar. If CV is equals to 40%, if CV is equals to 40%, SG is equals to 12. SG is equals to 12.
We solve section B questions.
Find the coefficient. Find the coefficient of mean deviation if x bar is equals to
Find the coefficient.
of mean deviation if x bar is equals to 120. Find the coefficient if x bar is
There are two questions. First one, that one.
2 minutes.
Find the coefficient of mean deviation.
Next question. Same question.
On that, there are two questions. This one is A.
Mean deviation. If x bar is equals to 120 and mean deviation is equals to 12. X bar is equals to 120. Mean deviation is equals to
This side.
1. Mean deviation is equals to 12.
See, here we have to calculate mean, right? X bar indicates mean. That we have to calculate. So CV is given, correct, right? So formula CV equals SD divided by mean into 100. Now I am substituting. Everything we have. So CV how much? 40%. Correct, right? 40%. SD we have 12, right? Mean we don't have 100. Correct, right? Now they are asking what mean. Don't try it. I am telling. Don't try. So this becomes here, right? Divide becomes into becomes divide. Here only one term. There are not more than one term. This single term. So this divide becomes into becomes divide. So I am writing. So mean 12 into 100 divide by 40%. Correct, right? So mean equals. So 12 into 100. So this indicates 0.4, right? Check also. Correct. 40%. 40 divided by 100. 40 divided by 100, how much? 0.4. Correct, right? 12 into 100 divided by 0.4. Correct, right? Correct. See, 40% means 0.4. I am writing as it is. 12 into 100, how much? 1200. 12 into 100, 1200. 1200 divided by 0.4. So mean is what? Correct, right? Any doubt?
0.4 मेरठ कैलकुलेट
Zero. Hey, here. He's silent. B question mark one. C we have to calculate. C we have to calculate, right? RX को समझ जाओ 120 12 lah. So it is very simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Directly we are applying formula. We will get into it. They are asking coefficient of deviation, Mama.
Yes, sir.
Coefficient of mean deviation, right? Coefficient of mean deviation. So we need mean deviation divided by, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Mean division by mean, right?
Yes, sir.
Mean is bar x. Mean is bar x. We have mean deviation how much of 12 divided by mean we have 120. 0.1 na? Check once.
Yes, sir.
0.1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
0.1.
It's there, but check once. I'm asking is it right or not? Okay.
Which company? Little loud, ba. Which company has greater variability?
Greater variability.
Of salary. Make 3 columns.
Particulars.
3 columns you make. First column will be back. This second column
You write
company.
particular first column, second one.
First column particulars. Next company है. Yeah, company है. Next company B. First column number of employees. Number of employees. Particular. Number of employees. 250. Second column right. 250. 200.
Same writing here only.
Standard deviation. 500, 600. Average monthly salary 20,000, 25,000.
20.
25.
See, consistency or variability. Keep in mind, consistency, variability. You have to calculate CV1. That is coefficient of A, that girl. You have to calculate what? CV. On that I said, why we are going to calculate CV? Coefficient variation, why? Whether that company is fluctuating or consistent. That is the reason we are calculating. Fluctuation. Whose CV is more now? That is fluctuation is more. That means changing behavior is more. So that's we have to calculate. Variability, consistency, we need CV. Keep in mind, they are not telling standard deviation. They are not telling. Simply they are telling consistency or variability or more variability or uniformity. These three words we have to calculate CV1. They are not telling standard deviation. Nothing they are telling. Simply variability, uniformity or consistency. These three words you have to calculate CV. So to calculate company A CV, company A, Parma CV equals standard deviation divided by mean into 100, right?
Yes, sir.
We have standard deviation. How much though? 500, correct, right? Standard deviation. SP is given 500. Mean also is given, right? Average monthly salary. Average means what? Average means what? So that is given to how much though? 20,000 into 100. So 25%, 2.5%, right? 500 divided by 20,000 to 100. 2.5. That is company A. Company B, CV, same formula, SD divided by mean into 100. SD is given how much? 600 divided by 25,000 into 100. 2.4. What they are asking? Greater variability. Fluctuation is more. Who is more here? Here, right? 2.5. This is 2.4. So that's why you write company A has more variability. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
You write answer. See, you are writing this symbol, right? That symbol is called as rho. It indicates SD, standard deviation.
Compute mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode.
So this is very important question. Compulsory this year you have one question. Mean, median, mode for section C. Huh?
From the following data. From the following data. Two column. First column marks. Second column number of students. Second column number of students. Marks 20:30. 20 till 90. Number of students 5, 10, 12, 18, 9,
Say, it is very easy, but you concentrate. Frequency, is it increasing or fluctuating? Huh? Frequency should be fluctuating. Huh? If it is increasing or decreasing, you write actual frequency. Now, this is fluctuating, right? There is no increasing, there is no decreasing. Check once. 5, 10 increasing, but here decreasing, right? Correct, Mama?
Yes, sir.
Once you clarify, see, first you show whether frequency should be fluctuating. It is fluctuating one. Second thing, there are two conditions. Now first is over. Frequencies are fluctuating. Second, this should be exclusive class interval. It is also correct. See, 30 same, right? 40 same, right? So, if it is inclusive, convert it to exclusive. Get your point?
Yes, sir.
There are two conditions it satisfies. It is exclusive, fluctuate. Now, so we have calculate mean, right? First I am going to calculate mean. To calculate mean, I need midpoint, right? Midpoint of correct. So 25, right? 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. Correct, right? This total 70, yeah?
Yes, sir.
70, right?
Yes, sir.
So total I got now only. So I need mean, right? They are calculating. They are telling. Calculate mean. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Mean, median, mode. So just now I am calculating mean. Summation. Mean. See.
380.
We need one more column. Fx.
Yes, sir.
To calculate what we need?
Yes.
This is class interval. Always we are multiplying with f. So fx is f, right? Fx 125,
Yes, sir.
350, 680, yeah? Yes, sir. 540, yeah? 540, 1000, 1100, 580, 5, 6. Check what this 11 into 75,
675.
675, huh?
825.
255, huh?
Yes, sir.
We are multiplying. Then we need this total, correct? Fx. Three thousand 7. Check once.
Yes, sir.
3780. Summation of fx divided by n, right?
Yes, sir.
3780 divided by n. 70.
54, sir.
54,
Yes, sir.
So, mean is completed, right? Correct, Mama?
Yes, sir.
Now, median. So, median is class interval. We have different formula. N plus 1 by 2. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, we have formula class interval. So, we need CF. Generally, calculate or separate, I should write. Separate, right? I am writing again. CI, how much now?
20.
20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 60, 70 to 80. So F we have 80 to 90, F 5, 10, 12, 20, 9, 11. So we need cumulative frequency. Cumulative, don't try it. For cumulative frequency, first as it is I am writing 5, then I am adding 5 plus 10, 15, 27, 47, 56, right? 68, 7, 57, check one, correct, right? So median class interval n by 2, not n plus 1. N by 2. If it is class interval, always n by 2. N we have 70 by 2. 30th class interval, right? So 35th class interval. We have to identify. Correct, Mama?
Yes, sir.
See here 5, 15, 27, 47. Correct, right? I should mark this. Correct,
Yes, sir.
correct, right?
Yes, sir.
See, here is there. This is lower limit, right? This is lower limit. See here. This is it. Correct, right? So median L plus N by 2 minus CF into, correct, right? See whatever you write. Side. A. Don't copy, don't discuss. We have L, how much of? 50. CF 27. Correct, right now? F 20. See how much of? 10. Difference is 10, right? Class interval difference is 10. Now I am substituting 50 plus n by 2 means what? 35 minus CF 27. Correct, right? F how much of? 20 into 10. 50 as it is. 35 minus 8. 8 into 10 divided by 20, right? Subtract 8 into 10 divided by 20. So 50 plus 4. How much of? 54 is median. Correct, right? Correct,
Yes, sir.
To calculate mode, we have two formulas. This are directly we can use. Mode equals 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode equals what? 3 median minus 2 mean. That also we can calculate or using formula also. Which one you want? Formula only? Formula only, yeah? Huh? Which you want? You copy this first. Copy fast. Any doubt you ask? part is over, huh?
No, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is we are calculating using formula. See, first you select, first you confirm. See, median and mode, always you confirm. The class intro should be exclusive. That is important. I said conditions applied. Satisfied, right? Exclusive fluctuation. So everything is over. Now I should select here in this which is highest frequency. Frequency is what?
Highest.
I am asking frequency meaning repetitive. Right, sir. Frequency, right? So here 20 is repeated, right? More repeated. That's why I am marking this one. Correct? This is F0, F1, F2. This one you are using right formula?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no, ma?
Yes, sir.
Or different you are using? Whatever. Don't worry about it. You calculate same only. This is L, right? So, mode formula L plus F1 minus F0 into C divided by 2F1. Correct? This one now, ma?
Yes, sir.
Correct, right? Mode formula. Why? This one layer using. Correct, what?
Correct, sir.
Now, L is how much? 50. F1 now? 20 minus F0, 12 into 10, right?
Yes, sir.
2 into F1, just the here only multiply, huh? 2 in, so don't expand the steps only, I multiply here only. Getting my point what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
I am not substituting, I am multiplying directly. 2 into F1. 2 into F1 how much now? I am writing 40, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Correct, right? 2 into F1, just I am multiplying 2 to 2 minus F0 how much now? 12, F2, 9. 50 plus 8, right? 8 into 10.
19.
Correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
8 into 10 is 40 minus 12 minus 9. How much, ma'am?
19.
19, huh? 50 plus divide by 8 into 10 divided by 19. 0 point? 4 point something. 4 point? 210, huh? 54 point? This is mode, right? See, if you calculate mean, mode, median, so always the same only, huh? mean, mode, median. The answer is same answer. Check once. Mean also something, median also same, right?
Yes, sir.
Mode also same. Or else you can use this also. Which one now? Mode equals 3 median minus 2 mean, right? 3 into median, how much? 54, huh? Mean also 54, right?
Yes, sir.
One more tell, huh? Check one. 160 is 2 into, check one. Correct, right? Can use this also. This also correct. From beginning I'm telling. That's why I'm asking. You want this or that? Here also you are getting 54 something, right?
Yes, sir.
Here also you are getting same thing. Don't worry about that.
Following are the marks obtained by two students. Vasudev and Koshit. Vasudev and Koshit.
Hey, don't ask name. You write your name.
10 tests. In 10 tests of 100 marks each. 100 marks each.
This is also very important. For section C, you have one question. 100%.
First column. Test. 1, 2, 3, till 10 you write. Till 10. Next column, marks obtained. Under that you make 2 columns. Below of marks obtained. Below of marks obtained, make 2 columns. Vasudev and Kaushik. And then Vasudev. 40. Below 40. 80. 76. 48. 52. 72. 61. 56. 60. 55. Kaushik marks are written. 48. 75. 54. 60. 63. 65. 72. 51. 72. 60. Find who is better. Find who is better scorer. Who is better scorer. And if consistency. And if consistency is the criterion. For awarding prize. Who should get prize?
You only calculate fast. Calculate fast. You only calculate. Do it fast. Don't turn pages. Everything was written there. See, majority are doing wrong only. I observe both classes. No one are doing that. See, I said you have to calculate CV. Right? Consistency word means what? A. To calculate CV, what we need? Something you are writing without calculating SD also. Huh? See, first we have to calculate SD, right? So this is X. Always data is called as X. Marks is data. Marks is what? So this total we have summation of X, how much of? Right? So summation of X divided by N, right? 600 divided by 10, na? 60 we are getting. So next, don't write. Now don't write. X minus mean equals what? D. Difference, right? X plus mean what? Difference, no? D means what you are writing? Say on that serial number is given. Don't calculate. That is not F. Someone has calculated that they are telling us F. Don't write F. That is serial number. 1 by 1, 2, 3 is given. So don't calculate that. Don't treat as F. That is not frequency. Huh? Neglect that line only. Which line? Serial number line you neglect. Now we need X minus D, right? X minus D. X minus difference. How much X of? 40 minus 60. Huh? Minus 20, right? 80 minus 60, 20, 70, 60. 76 minus 60, 60, 48 minus 60, minus 12, 58 minus 6 minus 8, right? 72 minus 60, 12, 61 minus 60, 1, 56 minus 60, minus 4, 60 minus 60, 0, 55 minus 60, minus 5. Now see, I am not writing modulus symbol. That is purely for mean deviation. Mean deviation. Here we need difference only. So to get positive, we are squaring that. D square. D square means what? Difference of square. This becomes minus 20 into minus 20. Always we are getting plus only. Whatever minus you get plus only. In all cases. Square is plus. Square is what? Plus. So this is also 400, right? 256, 144, correct? 144, 01, 60, 0, 25, right? This I am squaring, see, 20 into 20. This also 20 into 20. 16 into 16. 12 into 12. Like that, huh? Don't do 12 into 2. 12 into 12. Now this total. How much of? This all total. 450, huh? Check once fast. Now we have to calculate. This is individual classes, not class interval. This is what? Individual. So formula is standard deviation equals summation of d square divided by n. Correct? Correct, Mama? Yes, sir. You know or what?
No, sir.
You don't know. For individual, this only formula. Summation of d square divided by n. If it is class interval, f d square divided by n. That is different method. This is different method. So this is individual series. SD equals summation of d square how much? 1450 divided by 10. So 145. So SD equals 12.04. Now we can calculate CV. Correct, right? Consistency we need SD. Just now we calculate SD. Correct, Mama?
Yes, sir.
Why you are not silent? I am not doing different. Already you solved this type of question. SD divided by mean into 100.
Yes, sir.
SD means row, right?
Yes,
You're
sir.
writing row. This is symbol X. So SD how much of? 12.04 divided by mean plus we calculated 60 into 100. Maybe 06, huh? This is CV, correct, right? Now, this is Vasudev, right? Vasudev. Now what? Same we will do, huh? So this also we know 620. What mean? Summation of x divided by n. 620 divided by 10. 62, huh?
Yes, sir.
See, this as x. X minus mean equals d, right? 48 minus 62. How much? Minus 14, huh? I am writing directly, correct, right? 75 minus 62.
Minus 8.
That's right. 54 minus 62.
Minus 8.
Minus
8.
8. 60 minus 2. 63, 1, right? 65, 3. 72, 10, huh? I am subtract direct I am writing. 51 minus 62. Minus 11, huh?
Yes, sir.
72 minus 62. 10. 60 minus 62.
Minus 2.
I am writing directly, huh? Correct, no, ma?
Yes, sir.
48 minus 62 like the down. So here I wrote. Here I directly. Now d square 156, huh? 196. 169, huh?
Yes, sir.
64, 4, 1, 9, 100, 121, 100. Correct, ma? Okay. 68, huh?
Yes, sir.
Same. Standard deviation equals summation of d square divided by n. Correct, huh? 768 divided by, you'll get 76.8, right? 8.76, huh? 8. What they're asking? There are two questions, right? First question what? Better scorer by comparing. Who is better scorer? Standard deviation divided by mean into 100 is the 8.76 divided by 62. Correct, huh? 100 divided by 14. So there are two questions. Who is the better scorer? Who is better scorer?
20.06, sir. Vasudeva. 20.6.
There are two questions. Who is the better scorer? Better scorer is Koshit, right?
Vasudeva.
Better score means what? Who is getting more score, right? Who is getting more score? A. Better scorer means what? Who is getting more marks? Who is getting? See. Here, total marks how much? Here, he is the better scorer, right? Better scorer means what? Who is getting more marks? Koshit is getting more marks, right? He is getting 600, he is getting 620, you right? Koshit getting more marks. Second question. Who is more consistent? More is less. Consistency unit, this one. Least CV. Fluctuation is less, right? Here fluctuation is how much now? 14%. He is 8%. Yeah. 20%. Here 14%. 14%. 20, 14. Least is 14. That was your right. Both is question only. CV should be least. By comparing, CV should be least. That is consistency. For inconsistency, 4 right now.